Hunter from Rice Military has a question about deck painting.
He's a longtime listener and a first-time writer.
Thank you.
His dad turned him on to you.
Yeah, we're going to second, third generation now.
Second and third, yeah. So Hunter writes, my deck was just replaced, but it still needs to be painted. And it faces south. There's some flashing on all the perimeter lateral beams, including the one buttressed against the house. This is what he's talking about. See, you have the flashing there on the edge by where it meets the house?
Yeah.
All right. So, should I caulk? Which caulk should I use? Should I caulk where the vertical support beams touch the deck? How should I prepare for pressure treated? And, of course, what kind of paint? These are his questions, Tom. Take them on.
I don't think you need to caulk. It was just going to become messy after a while because it's outside. So just keep it's a pressure-treated deck. And they're painted all the time, not a problem. With a deck paint, it's simple as that. But don't go around caulking everything. This is not an interior room. It's not something that's real finished. It is what it is, and it looks beautiful. It's brand new.
Nice
it's ready to paint. Now, where do you get your paint? Go to a Benjamin Moore dealer and tell them what you're doing. They're going to have the primer. They're going to have the paint for you. They're going to tell you exactly the applicator you need to do or use and how many coats you'll have to do.
And painting it is going to probably provide a lot more protection than just staining it.
Oh, yeah, because of the pigment, of course. But it'll get worn, and you'll have to paint it once in a while because you're walking on it. Remember that.
That's true. Your walls last longer because you don't walk on them.
That's true. Good observation.
I'm here for you.
Yes.
All right, we're here for you, too. All you got to do if you have a question around your house, maybe you have a home improvement project you're thinking about or you're stuck in the middle of, we're here to help you. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. You fill it out, you send it in,
Ding.
we'll answer it, just like this one.